The major focus of Odinaani, the traditional religion and spiritual practice of the Igbo people, is often misunderstood and misrepresented. Many perceive it as a practice centered around the Dibia, the traditional priests or diviners. However, at its core, Odinaani is fundamentally about understanding the self and harmonizing with nature. This perspective is crucial for a deeper appreciation of Igbo spirituality and its enduring relevance. The essence of Odinaani. Odinaani is a holistic system that encompasses spirituality, philosophy, and worldview. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things and the balance between the spiritual and physical realms. The term Odinaani itself translates to "it is in the land," reflecting the deep connection to nature and the environment. Understanding the role of the Dibia. The Dibia, often seen as the spiritual leaders or healers within the community, play a significant role in Odinaani. They are knowledgeable in herbal medicine, divination, and spiritual rituals. However, their role is not to dominate or centralize the practice of Odinaani, but to facilitate individuals' connection to the spiritual realm and their understanding of natural laws. The Dibia acts as a guide, helping individuals interpret signs, understand their destinies, and maintain harmony within their lives. They are akin to spiritual counselors rather than gatekeepers of the spiritual knowledge of Odinaani. Self-understanding in Odinaani. A fundamental aspect of Odinaani is the pursuit of self-understanding. This involves recognizing one's chi, or personal god, which represents the individual's divine essence and destiny. Understanding one's chi is essential for personal growth and fulfillment, as it aligns an individual with their spiritual path and purpose. Personal reflection, meditation, and the interpretation of dreams and omens are practices that aid in self-understanding. These practices encourage individuals to look inward, assess their actions, and strive for self-improvement. The process of understanding oneself is seen as a lifelong journey that fosters wisdom and spiritual maturity. Harmony with nature. Nature plays a pivotal role in Odinaani. The Igbo believe that the earth, or Allah, is a sacred entity that sustains life and must be respected and preserved. This reverence for nature is reflected in various practices and rituals that honor the land, rivers, forests, and other natural elements. Agricultural practices, for example, are imbued with spiritual significance. The New Yam Festival, or Irigiohu, is a celebration that marks the beginning of the yam harvest. It is not only a time of feasting and community bonding, but also a ritual of gratitude to Allah for the bountiful harvest. The balance between human activities and nature is paramount. The Igbo worldview sees ecological sustainability as a moral duty, emphasizing the need to protect and nurture the environment for future generations. Odinaani in contemporary context. In today's world, the principles of Odinaani remain relevant. The emphasis on self-awareness and ecological balance resonates with contemporary movements towards mindfulness and environmental sustainability. By revisiting and reinterpreting these traditional practices, modern Igbo communities and individuals worldwide can draw valuable lessons for personal and collective well-being. Conclusion. Odinaani is a rich and profound spiritual system that goes beyond the role of the Dibia. At its heart, it is about understanding oneself and living in harmony with nature. By appreciating this core philosophy, we can gain a deeper insight into Igbo spirituality and its timeless wisdom. This perspective not only enriches our understanding of Odinaani, but also highlights its relevance in addressing some of the fundamental challenges of modern life. In embracing Odinaani, we reconnect with the wisdom of our ancestors, fostering a holistic approach to life that balances the spiritual, personal, and environmental aspects of existence.